Hey guys, Dennis here with a quick tip if you need to clean up some threads but you don't have the right size tap. So I'm replacing the head gasket and head on my truck here, and the instructions say I need to clean out these bolt holes with a tap before I replace it. It's really important that the threads are very clean and oiled because they have to be torqued down to a specific way for the head to seat correctly. Well, I don't have a tap for these, so what I do have are the old bolts. And here's our bolt. So you might have noticed that I kept the Dremel angled, and the reason for that is that you want there to be an undercut where the top of the threads are. This allows for the threads to kind of have a cupping, like cleaning action when you're running this in and out. What you don't want to do is have kind of a ramp there that you can wedge dirt where you cut away, if that makes any sense. So to kind of illustrate, imagine this is the cross section of the bolt, and these are the threads, say. And what we're doing is we're cutting a section out of it that looks roughly like this. So you're left with something like this and this. So as this bolt turns in the threads, these are going to pick up dirt and stuff, and it's going to collect in here. I didn't draw this very good. If this is the very exaggerated cross section of the bolt. So any little dirt and stuff is going to collect down in here, both on the way in and on the way out. And that's why it's important to have it cut on both angles like this. Now you can do 2 or 3, even just 1 if you want. It has the same effect, really. I chose to cut grooves on 2 sides. So now let's try it out. It also helps if the bolt's loose to kind of rock it back and forth or around as you do this. Now these holes should be pretty clean because I've had them protected and covered. Let's see what comes out here. Not too much, but hopefully you get the idea. If these were really dirty, you'd get a bunch of dirt collecting in this area here, and what you do is brush it out and then make another pass. Alright, so I hope that was helpful, guys. Let me know if it worked out for you, or if not, or if you have another tip, and I'll see you next time.